My name is Esmeralda Rizaldy. I'm from the Library and Information Science Study Program, and my partner is...
My name is Enji Kadar, an active student at Ratulangi University, majoring in Communication Science, Library and Information Study Program.
Well, at this time we will discuss about the types of the library services and the activities contained in it. Before that, Angie, do you know what was the library services means?
So, library service are all service activity in the form of providing information and library facility to user quickly, on time, and correctly. Therefore, providing service to user is the goal of every workflow in the library, so that user get the right information as needed and can take advantage of the facility provided in the library. In other words, the service in the library must be oriented to the needs of user.
As we know, there are various types of library services, one of which is circulation service. Do you know what circulation service are like and how it works?
Circulation service are library service activity related to borrowing and returning library materials so that they can be utilized and used appropriately and on time for the benefit of library service user. The activity carried out are in the form of recording service activity in the utilization and use of library material collection.
What about the purpose of this circulation service?
Yes, so the purpose of circulation service include 1. So that users are able to make optimal use of library collection. 2. So that it's easy to know the identity of the borrower, the book borrowed, and the time of return. 3. To obtain data on the use of a library collection activity.
Wow, I just realized that this service have an important role in the library.
Of course, with the circulation service, it can help user in the process of borrowing, returning, or extending library materials, as well as making it easier for librarians to control library activity data, especially those related to the use of collection.
Oh, I see.
In the library, not only circulation service are provided, but there is also a reference service. Do you know what reference service?
Reference service is one of the main activities carried out in the library that specifically serve a collection of reference to users or visitors in the library.
Then, what are the activities carried out in the reference service like?
So, in the reference service, there are several activities in it, including first, provide general information about libraries in general or especially about reference service units. Second is receiving questions from the library users and then answer them using a collection of references. And the third is provide guidance for finding the set of references needed to find the information needed by the reader.
Then do you know what collection are contained in the reference service?
So there is dictionaries, encyclopedias, manuals or directories, indexes and abstracts, bibliographies, almanacs, and etc.
Wow! It turns out that there are various kinds of collection in the reference service.
Yes, so reference service is interpreted as an activities that provide information about the reference collections, and provide guidance in finding and using reference collections. So that's our discussion. Thank you.